Good morning, traders. This is Tony D from easyMarkets, TraderTalk. We have a very sharp reversal overnight. So when we were speaking yesterday, there was market was risk off. North Korea just fired a missile, and you can see that the negativity continued into the European session, but it couldn't quite grasp, it pushed through. There was no real threat there from the US in terms of response. They called for a UN Security Council meeting, which was just concluded. And they also, Trump was very quiet on Twitter. In fact, hasn't said anything on Twitter regarding North Korea just yet. A little too focused on the hurricane there hitting Texas. Perhaps he's chosen not to engage in international affairs right now. He's tried to get as much political capital as he can from what's going on in Texas as he travels there today. You are seeing a sharp reversal here in both dollar yen and the US dollar index. Now, US dollar index, interestingly, has broken below the key level 91.80 briefly overnight before a sharp reversal that you can see here. Now, in terms of what this is technically, it's a huge reversal candle and a signal that the US dollar has found a solid amount of support here, and it does coincide with the euro failing above 120. Alright, so when you have two or three things happening all at the same time, it does create a little bit more pressure on the trend. That, if you are going to see a reversal in a trend, you do see sort of price action similar to what you saw yesterday. So you have to be a little bit cautious here if you're looking to follow the trend. The big US dollar data is coming up as well. We have on Thursday the PCE, which is a very closely watched inflation measure that the Fed looks at. And on Friday, you got the NFP, which is the non-farm payrolls, which is very important for setting the tone and the mood towards the US economy. So there is a way in which the US dollar can have a second and third day here of rally. The key level you want to be watching in the Asian session today is if dollar yen can get back above 110. That would really indicate that the market is bottomed here in a key US dollar market. Also, if stock markets can rally for a second day, and if North Korea tensions ease, then definitely it looks like you could see more relief rally in not just dollar yen but euro yen, which is hitting some fresh highs as well in the cycle. Alright guys, if you do want to have more information, or you do want to have a deeper discussion about some of that price action you saw last night, you do come through to the dealing room here in Sydney. If you're not a member of easyMarkets, or you're not a member of the ATG, which is our active traders group we have here, click on the link below in the YouTube and you can gain access to that group. Thank you.